Question yami namhlanje ukuthi uPitso Mosimane, is he the greatest South African football coach of all times? Yabo, ngibuza lokhu ngoba uPitso Mosimane u-achieve izinto eziningi kakhulu. Like uMamelodi Sundowns ufike wayistabilizer, wa-introduce i-culture yokuwina. iMamelodi Sundowns besazi ukuthi inemali yakwazi ukuthenga ama-player but bebangawini, bebanganayo leyo hanga leyo yabo. But uPitso Mosimane makafika wa-introduce i-culture yokuwina, and then naye ngoba uyiwina yabo, na ku-SuperSport bekakuBafana Bafana u-2010 FIFA World Cup as one of the assistant coaches. Amanye ama-player bewasho ukuthi uPitso Mosimane like unama-dreams like amakhulu if uzoxoxela amaphupho wakhe yabo. Siyambona uye ku-Al-Ahly win i-Champions League ne-Sundowns kayi-1 ne-Al-Ahly kayi-2. Ucoach what is this country, i-Saudi Arabia, wathatha i-team yase-Saudi Arabia beku-second division wayipromota back to ku-first division yakhona. Unfortunately ke bamxosha or bamhambisa, zange ba-renew contract yakhe because they wanted a bigger coach for leyo league leyo ngoba inkulu. But in terms of influence as i-coach, izinto azi-achievile, akekho umuntu noma i-coach yase-South Africa close to what uPitso Mosimane has achieved throughout his career yabo. Akekho umuntu omnyama okwacoach e-Egypt engike ngambona, like if maybe ngirong kumele ningiquestion. Akekho umuntu omnyama engike ngezwa kuthiwa mina ucoach wase-South Africa or wase-Africa ocoacha like e-Egypt, ocoacha the biggest team yase-Africa, i-Al-Ahly. Hayi bafowethu, akekho ucoach umuntu omnyama engike ngambona coacha e-Saudi Arabia, coach ama-team worth ama-trillions, a-ownwa like u-government wakhona yabo. So influence kaPitso Mosimane for me is the greatest South African coach of all times. Okay, maybe abanye bazothi Clive Barker cause wenzani, but mina ku-generation yami umuntu engimbonile ne-influence yakhe strong, na the way i-bravado persona yakhe lewakhuluma ngakhona, uyabona ukuthi it's more than just a game for yena, impilo yakhe. Na the way bekakhala i-TV if izinto azibi against yena, bekangakhala ngoba uyatetema, bekakhala ngoba lento le yokuphela into ayazi ibhola ayikho enye, and into ayithanda ngokweqiniso, akayenzeli maybe imali. Okay, imali ibalulekile phela, vele u-rich uyi-millionaire, but for yena it was more than just a game yabo, it was impilo yakhe. Nanamhla ikusasempilo yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngekho coach wase-South Africa close to Pitso Mosimane.